Every sip of this drink tastes exactly the same in New York, Texas, or Tokyo. That level of consistency is not accidental. It's the result of one of the most tightly controlled manufacturing systems on Earth. This factory produces more liquid in 1 hour than some towns drink in an entire year. But before flavor, before carbonation, before branding, the factory perfects something invisible. Because if this single step fails, everything you recognize disappears. This drink doesn't start with flavor. It starts by erasing everything unpredictable. This drink looks simple, but more than 90% of it is water, and not just any water. Before a single ingredient is added, the factory treats water like a raw material, not a utility. It's filtered, softened, purified, stripped of minerals, and rebuilt to a precise internal standard. Why? Because water from different cities tastes different. Different minerals, different pH, different chemistry. If the water changes, the drink changes. So the factory removes everything unpredictable until water in Atlanta tastes identical to water in California or Japan or Brazil. Only when the water becomes invisible does production move forward.
Sweetness isn't added for taste alone. It controls everything that happens next.
Next comes sweetness, but this is not about sugar alone. Depending on the region, the factory uses carefully selected sweeteners, measured down to fractions of a gram, controlled by automated dosing systems. No eyeballing, no guesswork. Sensors confirm concentration. Valves adjust flow in real time. Every batch is digitally logged. Because sweetness doesn't just affect flavor, it controls mouthfeel, carbonation behavior, and shelf stability. Too much, heavy and syrupy. Too little, flat and weak. This balance is not tasted, it's engineered.
This is the part everyone talks about, and the part the factory never needs to explain.
This is where the legend lives. Flavor ingredients are combined into a concentrated syrup inside restricted access-controlled rooms. But here's the truth. The factory isn't protecting a recipe, it's protecting repeatability. Ingredients are weighed automatically, mixed in sealed systems, transferred without exposure to air or contamination. No adjustments, no improvisation. The goal isn't mystery, the goal is zero variation.
This is the moment the drink becomes recognizable, and the moment mistakes become expensive.
Now the syrup meets the water. High-precision blending systems inject syrup into the water stream at exact ratios, constant, monitored, corrected in real time. This is where the drink becomes what people expect. Too much syrup, entire batches are destroyed. Too little, the taste fails instantly. Sensors confirm density, color, and flow every second. Nothing moves forward unless the numbers match perfectly.
Those bubbles aren't decoration. They're engineered pressure.
Carbonation isn't about fizz, it's about control. Carbon dioxide is injected under precise temperature and pressure conditions. Too warm, gas escapes. Too cold, the bite becomes harsh. This step defines the first sensation you feel when opening the bottle. That sharp release, that instant crispness. It's not a feeling, it's physics. Now the factory stops being careful and starts being fast. Production accelerates. Bottling lines fill thousands of bottles per minute. Each bottle is rinsed, filled, leveled, sealed, all in seconds. Cameras inspect fill height. Sensors detect pressure loss. Defective bottles are rejected instantly. Humans supervise, machines decide. At this speed, hesitation costs millions.
Trust is built the moment you twist the cap.
That cap isn't just a lid. Torque sensors confirm seal strength. Pressure tests confirm carbonation retention. Random bottles are destroyed deliberately to test integrity, because one leaking bottle doesn't just ruin a drink, it damages trust.
The factory
assumes failure until proven otherwise.
Before labeling, samples enter the lab. Technicians test taste, carbonation, acidity, safety. Not occasionally, continuously. Every batch must earn approval. Only then does production continue.
This is where the drink gets its identity at full speed.
Labels are applied, aligned, scanned. Machines group bottles into cases. Robots stack cases into pallets. Every pallet is tracked, every batch traceable. Nothing leaves anonymous. Let's leave the factory within hours. Trucks, trains, distribution centers. The mission is simple. Same taste, everywhere, every time. Consistency is the product. After seeing all this, the number surprises almost everyone. After filtration systems, automation, labs, speed, and control, the manufacturing cost of one bottle often comes down to just a few cents. Not because it's cheap, but because it's perfected at scale. Every bottle you see on the shelf has traveled a journey few ever witness. Invisible systems, precision machines, and thousands of decisions, all working in perfect harmony. And today, you've seen it all, from scratch to final sip. But this is just the beginning. There are countless other everyday things you think you know, but don't.
If you want to uncover the hidden secrets behind the products you use every day, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next revelation is waiting, and you don't want to miss it.